Hi guys, have a nice day and thank you for watching English Carabao. Hi guys, I would like to share to you why I am not making some videos lately in YouTube nowadays. It's because I am really busy right now. So here are some of the footages na meron ako while going to work. Okay? And well, this is the new life I have. But then guys, as much as possible na makahanap po ako ng tiyempo, ng time, and gagawa pa rin talaga ako ng video. Don't worry guys, I've been reading most of your messages naman sa akin, and then I'm trying my best to answer you back, especially in the morning. Kasi nga po, most of the time I'm in the morning shift, so I have to go to work like 8 o'clock in the morning, and then I have to go home nasa around 8:30 or before 9 o'clock na. So kadalasan pagod na po ako, and I need to rest for the next day shift or next day work. So kaya hindi ko talaga nagagawa. It's 7:35 in the morning and I have to be here in the shop. Since I was promoted, I have no choice guys but to be in the morning shift every day. Kaya no choice. This is the reason why I don't want to be assigned outside of the airport. So most of the time, wala pang tao sa mall. But I have to be here now. Okay, so ito, puyat pa. Welcome to my world. Häagen-Dazs, one of the Emirates. Kayod muna. I would like also to take this opportunity to say thank you po sa mga patuloy na nagsisend sa akin ng mga messages nila. Most of the time guys are Filipinos from the Philippines, or yung ilang Filipino na kararating lang dito sa Dubai na nag-visit visa. Just keep on sending messages guys on my Facebook account, or you may leave any message or comment on my videos or any of my videos, and as soon as I have time, definitely guys, I'm going to answer you back. Okay? Salamat po talaga for those who keeps on, you know, there for me. Kumbaga, lang naiintindihan nyo why I'm not making videos lately. And thank you guys sa lahat po na nag-congratulate sa akin that I was promoted as a manager or assistant manager. Thank you po sa lahat. And almost every day, meron ako natatanggap na mga messages from Filipinos from different part of the world. There are some who are, of course, from the Philippines, who are from other countries. Meron yung iba na talagang they're planning to go here in Dubai and work. So it's either employment visa na sila ngayon, or they were planning to go here as visit visa. But then guys, I would like to acknowledge also that there are some Filipinos who are working, let's say, in Europe or in US or in some part of Asia and some part of the world na wala lang, they're so thankful to have videos in YouTube katulad ng ginagawa ko. So parang gusto nila ginagawa ko, okay, as an expat, as an OFW. So, thank you po sa lahat, especially po kay ayan, J-Lard. What's the name? Anyway, guys, lahat po ng patuloy na nanonood po ng videos ko, it's either maaring nakatulong ako sa inyo or not, or you are just inspired of yung different stories na sinishare ko sa YouTube. Thank you po talaga sa inyong lahat. Honestly guys, there are some projects na hindi ko magawa ng maayos this time because of my busy schedule and because of the nature of my work. So far, yung mall tour is canceled. Sorry, Don. Nowadays, my day off is always Sunday and I think you are not available during that days. And Tuesday naman, I have a work. And yung Buhay sa Dubai shirts was also canceled. Not actually canceled, just freeze at the moment kasi I don't really have time. But then, to those who wanted to order, sige po, try natin, okay? I will try my best na mapadalhan kayo ng t-shirt. And sa lahat po ng patuloy na nag-a-add sa akin sa Facebook, okay lang po, I still keep on accepting you guys, provided that please guys, try to send the message before nyo po ako i-add so that I will know na you were from YouTube, okay? Kasi po, of course, there are some kasi na ina-add lang ako, hindi ko naman alam kung bakit nila ako ina-add. Okay? So at least I know the reason why you are adding me as friend. Kasi of course, hindi ko kayo kilala. But then, public naman po talaga kasi yung Facebook account ko. But then as much as possible, gusto ko sana ma-filter ng konti kasi padami na po kayo ng padami. But then guys, I appreciate yung mga lahat po ng mga questions na sinisend nyo sa akin. No matter what topic you wanted to talk about, it's fine. There are some Filipinos who are sending me not only just about visit visa topics, like domestic helper sila dito, or there were domestic helper from Cyprus or some other part of the country, of the world, and they're planning to go here and work as domestic helpers. Medyo less yung alam ko tungkol doon, but then if there are some questions na kaya ko namang sagutin sa inyo, then why not? I will try my best. And sa lahat naman po ng nagtatanong kung makakatulong ba ako sa pagpunta nila dito, well guys, unfortunately I cannot. Hindi po ako ahente, ang tawag doon. Hindi po ako, I'm not working from the agency na nagpapapunta po ng mga tao dito sa Dubai. I am just here in YouTube to give you guys the do's and don'ts, the tips, the guide, and alam niyo yung mga sharing my experience as a YouTuber or as a Filipino expat dito sa Dubai. Para lang po at least, kumbaga, before you come here, it's either visit visa or employment visa, you were like oriented na ng konti. Okay? So, yun lang po yung main reason why I'm here in YouTube and I don't help people to go here, okay? But then there are some close friends na kasi ako na talagang kumbaga before they come here in Dubai, it's either visit visa man yan or employment visa. Matagal na yung conversations namin. So aside from the videos I shared in YouTube, they get first-hand information from me. For example, kuya, ano ba yung kailangan kong i-ready once na makarating ako dyan? Diba? For example, do I need how much allowance or ano yung mga NOL card? Kailangan ko ba ng SIM card? NOL card. NOL card is for a card para sa mga train po dito sa Dubai. And ano yung una kong gagawin as visit visa? Mag-a-apply ba kagad ako online or mag-walk-in kagad ako? Yung mga tipong ganun. And for some who are asking if I'm a Christian, I am guys. Medyo kasama ka na kasi ngayon ng purpose ko why I'm on YouTube is to share na marunong mag-pray yung mga tao or matutong magtiwala sa Diyos, okay? Because I myself, napatunayan ko po na life with Christ in our life, alam mo yun, kumbaga, if Jesus is at the center of our life, life is less, worries. Kasi you know that He will do everything para mapabuti po tayo dito sa ibang bansa. Salamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko. Since then, until now, kahit ilang buwan lang nakakaraan na nandito na sila sa Dubai or Abu Dhabi or Sharjah or Fujairah, they still keeping in touch with me. Salamat po sa pangungumusta nyo. Tinatawag nyo akong daddy, kuya, dad, papa, kung ano-ano na lang, bahala na kayo. But then guys, salamat po talaga for keeping the friendship. Malaking bagay po para sa akin yun na yung tipong after na matulungan ko kayo or some way nakatulong ako ng konti sa inyo, talagang merong nabuong friendship sa ating lahat. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Well, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching English Carbo again. And don't worry, guys, on Sunday, which is tomorrow, I'm gonna make... No, not only just tomorrow. From now on, yung tentative na schedule of making videos is Sunday lang. So, I'll try my best to make a Q&A video every week. Okay? So, just keep on sending your questions, guys. Don't worry. I'll answer you back. But then, the advantage of you sending me questions is that I'm gonna compile yung questions nyo and then I'm gonna make a video to share it to everyone. So, if you think of a question na maaring magandang tanong that can help other Filipinos also who are planning to go here in Dubai, we will share it to them. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching po. And please guys, say thank you to God for all the blessing na nare-receive natin. You know, yung idea na God giving us a chance to go here abroad and work and help our family is really a blessing. Okay? So, yun lang guys. Ciao for now. I miss you all guys. Got to go to work. Bye!